Hey, I heard Team Beachbody is having a body transformation game.
Yeah, not good for us. All those people out there switching to Shakeology.
All that nutrition, what is American doing? I thought this was the land of obesity.
And the trend is now in full force and the body transformation game.
We're done.
If you can't beat them, join them. I am getting ready to get dunked in a tropical shake.
True love lost to nutrition.
Sorry honey, I am getting ready to jump in for the free coaching.
What is that website to find out more? Is it www.cincinnatiFitClub.blogspot.com?
Yes sugar babe, www.cincinnatiFitClub.blogspot.com.